Hi beautiful family, welcome once again to my channel. This is our skincare. Please, if you are stopping by for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to do a review on a cream or a lotion. Yes, it is good for caramel or hot chocolate. Yes, I have tried it on my one client and I love the tone of it. It's very nice and also it's beautiful. 50s ageless extra tone fade milk with cashew nut oil and also shea butter. I love this lotion a lot. You can use this lotion alone. Please, you can use this lotion alone and it will give you that flawless hot chocolate tone. Please, this one will give you that flawless hot chocolate tone. Yes, for me, I don't know if fair it will give the person, but someone who is fair also because it has shea butter, cashew nut oil in it. It will help you when you have a dry skin. It will moisturize your skin very well or your body very well. You can even also add this oil to it. You can add this oil. Yes, you can add this oil to it, and also like combining it, you have the hot succulent skin. Please, you can try it and thanks me later. I love you guys. Please subscribe. I'll show the video, the pictures of this lotion and this oil on my screen so that you can try it and thanks me later. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, God bless you.